With Teflon tape, one of the real important keys is that you need to wrap the Teflon tape clockwise. It's because otherwise when you thread this in, it'll unwrap the Teflon tape. So that's really important. Here's how I do it. I hold the Teflon tape like this with my middle finger going through and my index finger with the Teflon tape on it. And you'll see how this is wrapped over the top like this. And then I stick it to the back like this and hold it down. And then I wrap forward and pinch the tag end and grab it there. And that's the important part for getting it started. If you are wrapping it like I am, which I'm trying to go for about 5 or 6 wraps, if you wrap it like this, like I just did, then one of the things you avoid, let's just kind of turn this over. Here, I'll use this other fitting. If I turned this over and had the Teflon tape coming from down below, let me show you what happens. As you start to wrap, it gets longer and longer and longer, right? You might run into that your first time if you happen to be starting with it in the wrong position. So I have it hanging over the top, and then I stick it to the back, hold it into place, wrap it, and hold. And then you see it stays really tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then you can see the tag end here, you end up pushing that down. And when you're threading that on, you can see it pushes the tag end down. If you wrap it the wrong way, then it will unwrap the Teflon. So that's why the direction really matters.